What bird has the most elaborate, the most complex, and the most beautiful song in the world? Well, I guess there are lots of contenders, but this bird must be one of them. The superb Lyre bird of Southern Australia.
To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage.
Here she comes to wreck the day!
He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest.
A goose!
Oh, I'm such a shit! The color of the pen that I hold in my hand is royal blue! I can't lie! And the truth shall set you free! Here goes. I sped. I followed too closely. I ran a stop sign. I almost hit a Chevy. I sped some more. I failed to yield at a crosswalk. I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding!